Web scraping, the art of extracting data from web pages. And with Python and just a couple of packages, even a beginner can start scraping right away. So let's see how we can use requests and BeautifulSoup 4 to extract the names of the countries on this web page. So first we're going to need to pip install our packages. So pip install requests, followed by pip install BeautifulSoup 4. Requests will help us to fetch our page, and BeautifulSoup will help us to parse the HTML. First we need to import requests, followed by from BS4 import BeautifulSoup. Now we need to store our page's URL in a variable. Now we'll make a request to our page and store that in the page variable. Now we need to use our BeautifulSoup function and store that in the soup variable. Taking a closer look at the BeautifulSoup function, it takes two arguments, the text of our page and an HTML parser. Here we use one from the Python standard library. Now we'll initialize an empty list for the country names. And now here's where it gets interesting. We're going to use the soup.findAll method. But to find out the correct arguments, we need to inspect the source of our web page. Right-click and inspect one of the names. This will bring up the DevTools. And what we're after is the HTML tag as well as the class. That way, we can directly reference the country name class and not accidentally grab other H3 tags. We'll use a for loop to iterate over all the names that we find, appending the name of each one to our country names list. Then we'll print our list to the terminal along with the list's length to ensure that we didn't miss any. Now we can save our file and we're ready to run. As we can see, it's returned our list of names and it's confirmed we've gathered 250. Congratulations, you just scraped a web page with BeautifulSoup and requests. Like and subscribe for more content like this.